Dear children, today let us discuss with a new lesson, lesson number 8, matter. So in this lesson, first before going to discuss about the lesson, first let us discuss about the flow chart. Okay, flow chart about the lesson matter. So in this flow chart, here in this matter, listen all of you, there are again, it is divided into two types. They are physical classification and a chemical classification. Here matter is divided into two types. The first one is called as a physical classification. The first one is called as physical classification. And the second one is chemical classification. Chemical classification. Physical classification and chemical classification. Okay, in physical classification, again it is divided into three subtypes. So what are those? They are solid, liquid and gases. Physical classification, it is again subdivided into three types. They are solid, liquid and gases. Okay, next moving to the chemical classification. Chemical classification, further it is subdivided into two types. So what are those two types? Here the two types are a pure substance and a mixture. In chemical classification it is further divided into two subtypes. The two subtypes are pure substance. The first one is pure substance and next it is mixture. Pure substance and mixture. Again in this again they are divided into again subtypes. They are in pure substances. The pure substances again it is further divided into subtypes. They are elements means what type of elements it is? What type of elements? Elements like a hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. Like this we call it as a elements. Okay, elements like hydrogen, oxygen. Again still some other gases also are there, some other elements names also are there. Just written only two names here like hydrogen, helium, oxygen. Like many other elements names are there. Only two names are written on the board. Understood? For their understanding purpose. Okay. Elements again example hydrogen, oxygen. Okay. Next it is compounds. Compounds means here compounds like a sand and common salt. Compounds like sand, common salt. And again in this compounds only, here compounds are divided again into further subtypes. Again this compound is divided into again further subtypes. Those are called as organic compounds and inorganic compounds. So here the compounds are further divided into two subtypes. They are inorganic compounds and next is organic compounds. Inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Again the compounds are further divided into two types. They are inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Okay, next moving to the mixture. Here the mixture is again further divided into two subtypes. They are called as homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. What they are? Homogeneous mixture. The first one is homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. Example for homogeneous mixture are like air, salt in water. Air, salt in water. These are the examples for homogeneous mixture. Okay, next is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous mixture. The examples for heterogeneous mixtures are water, sand. Water, sand. These are the examples for heterogeneous mixture. So here once I say, all of you listen here. These are the example for heterogeneous mixtures like water, sand. Okay, this is about the classification of matter. This is the flow chart of a matter. Means throughout the lesson we are going to discuss about this one by one in detail.